In this video, I'll be showing you how to see final delivered pricing. Start by going to the product you'd like to get the delivered pricing for. You can go into My Products, find the product you're looking for, and hit Add to Cart. Click Create a new cart, and give your cart a name. Next, you'll let us know the final destination and the preferred freight method. Enter in the delivery contact information and hit Create. From here, we'll give you a final all-inclusive pricing to anywhere in the US. You'll see the final unit price breakdown, and this includes your FOB price plus all logistics costs to the final destination, including import duties. If it is being delivered outside of the US, we will need to calculate import duties separately. Feel free to play around with the quantities to see how much you can be saving at different quantities. Watch the next video to see how to consolidate your products into a single order and maximize your savings.